Hello and welcome to Three Blind Mice Window Coverings. Today we're in the Louvolite booth showing off their new version of the Perfect Fit cell shade system. So again, if you've seen our previous videos on a Perfect Fit, it's a great product. Has rails on all top, left, right, side, bottom, everything. So it's a real nice fit. It's great for room darkening, great for tight fit windows. But what's nice about this, in the past we've shown this with all the cord-free options. Now we've got the new motorized option. So we have the new handheld remote. We can control and operate the shade with our remote control, multi-channel remote LCD screen, so you can actually see the percentage of where the shade is at. So you can actually control this. You can actually see not only the position that the shade is at, you can see the battery life. It's two-way communication feedback with that. So it's a real nice feature with that. So this is the new Perfect Fit motorized rechargeable cell shade option from Louvolite. If you'd like more information about this or any of our great products, please give us a call at 800-828-2003, or you can find us online at threeblindmiceusa.com.